Hi sir,
Yeah.
1 month experience of Bahusia. Today we have completed this. How was the journey and how tough is the journey?
Basically, Babusia, 1 month has forward. It's a happy moment. And finally, if you say the 1 month journey of business, I was not aware about business. I don't know anything about business. Just we have started, and by God grace, we have completed 1 month. And credit goes to our all staffs, employees, as well as the present customers.
Basically, sir, I have some questions for you.
Yeah, please.
After a 1 month, we have came to know that your this portal is one of a unique substitute of this portal is the consumer engagement. Means you have built up a profile for all consumers.
Actually, it's not exceptional. The behind the concept is very simple. Connect people. So if you go through the punchline of Babushia, then you'll find that scans with peoples. What we mean is that people stand by peoples and people can help each and others. So in last 2.5 years, more than the condition of the world shown us that the present situation demand that people should be stand beside people. And there should be many companies, not only like Babushia, many companies are there. Many owners of the companies are there. Many big manufacturers are there. They thought about something else rather than business part. Business is a it's an ongoing process, right? So in present situation, the tagline of Babushia is very important that stands with peoples. So our diagram of the babushia.com is dependent on so many clusters. Not only manufacturer or exporters or suppliers or traders like this. We have clustered many subjects where peoples are there, even a housewife are there, right? Even a students is there, even a teachers is there. Even you can find people like karate teachers, judo, chess, academy. These people are there, and they want to stand for the peoples. They want to teach peoples. So this is the concept. There is no very big meaning of Babushia or very big concept, but yes, uh, you can say the concept is concept is going to accept by the peoples. That is our expectations.
Sir, one question. Being working for last 20 years for all the companies, means all in B2B segment. But in today's world, right now you are talking for people, why you are not talking for business?
So B2B also talking for business, talking for people. Because when we are talking about business, right, in case of B2B also, right, how many employment given by SME can you imagine? SME segment given too much employment in India. So that is also a power of SME. So SME is not only there to earn their own money, they are stand in the market to help many job seekers. Many job seekers. Even we should not enter into the other spat of what kind of government is supporting and all. But always SME is taking care of many job seekers, many platforms, right? They are the master players in the markets. So B2B is not out of the range where you can say that B2B and B2C and people are different places. It's all are same places. So we just done it B2B plus B2C plus the socials. We made a combined platform. That's
So it's going to be the first company of India who manage social also, like LinkedIn, Facebook, like Twitter, and as well as B2C B2B platforms like various Alibaba is there, InfoEdge is also doing a great part over there, and as well as you are looking after the B2C segment, like various artistic talent. Do you have a think of building up entrepreneurship?
What is the enlarged meaning of entrepreneurship?
Means
That is like that is maybe according to the reports of the market or so many like parameters of the business, right? So anyone call it entrepreneurship, right? What is a short name that is startup? You can use this for me or my company Babus here. That is a startup companies in the in this age. What we feel that rather than money, important is to work for people's, become employee centric companies. Employees should be happy. Employees should uh, employees should take the ownership. Such company actually employee work as well as the today's world. It's very demandable that employee is working for a company with the full ownership.
sir, your thought is just like Tata.
You are taking a name of like uh, he's like god of the business. In my words, he's the god of the business. Not only business, right? He's a god of the employees also. I met few employees of Tata. They believe that the second position than God is Ratan Tata, respected Ratan Tata, because he always think about employee. He always think about their betterment. So even you go through the LinkedIn, go through the different kind of social site, you'll find that people who are not related to Tata Industries, they are sharing this his pages, his book. So that is a journey of him. एंड मेरे हिसाब से अगर बात करें तो हमारे तो बचपन से जन्म से उनके नाम सुना है. सो इन कैलकाटा वी से टाटा बिरला सो लाइक दैट इज अ separate part. But yes, uh, that's something different, and my salute and respect for Ratan Tata.
As well as you are thinking to connect people through online.
Yeah.
But do you think you will have any kind of challenges regarding this digital India concept, or do you wish to any kind of having promises aspect in this digital India concept?
See, Digital India is a name. What digital India? If you ask me, that actually today's people, at least from metro city as well as in, as a village segment also, people are using mobiles. People are actually giving exam online. Even my son also giving exam in online. So digitalization meaning is maybe little worse, but for me, life should be easy by any kind of systems. So if the digital system is making easy, is accessible, or it's helping to reach near people, then fantastic. You can call it as a digital India. Or we are the part of the digital India. Babusi is also a part of the digital India. But apart from digital India, the most important point is people.
Easier job portal,
Yeah.
the easier business portal is somehow I am thinking is looking for giving jobs or work to those people only
See,
who are required.
job seekers have two problems. One problem is obviously they are seeking jobs and they are not getting that kind of platforms, or maybe they are getting platforms but they don't know how to get the good jobs, or they are trying to reach near always big companies and all, but the vacancies part is less or whatever on basis of that. But the second part is most important, that to give the confidence to the job seekers. The most important point, to give the confidence to the job seekers. One job seekers, if you find that his video is running somewhere where he is sharing his video, he is approaching for a job, and the same times his parents, as well as his teachers, as well as his any mentors, right? They are sharing their views on that job seekers. So his confidence can boost. If you get the good followers, then his confidence can boost. Like, yes, today I don't have the job, but at least my own peoples, my own surrounding peoples, my friends, my colleagues, my fathers, my mother, those still have confidence on me. So it's most important, गुम ना हो जाए बंदा,
whether
खो
it's
ना
a
जाए.
company, whether it's a company
Yeah.
or people,
Yeah,
you want to give stand to those peoples
absolutely.
who are emerging in the market.
For example, you are a person, right? You are taking my interviews. Now, your family member must have confidence on you that you are going to run the show, right? You're going to take care of your family. Maybe your earning have limitations, but people have still trust on you that yes, you can handle the situation, you can handle everything. So your face is very smiling face. Your attitude is very, bloom. So in terms of job seekers also, if you find many people sometimes for the circumstances, for the over expectations, got frustrated. So that was a point which should not be with anyone in the world. तो उस पॉइंट पे हमें थोड़ा सा बाबूशिया कैन एक्ट. So Babusha can give them the confidence that yes, we are there, people are there, people stand with you. So this is important.
Okay, sir. After hearing all those things, let us